Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole and I have my two tiny kitchen helpers today. I have my twin toddlers, Ivy and Remy, and they have been begging us to make cookies all day. So this afternoon we're going to make banana Biscoff cookies, aren't we? I haven't made this recipe before, so we're going to trial it today and see how it goes. Let's see if the twins give it a thumbs up. Let's start cooking. Okay, first off, we're going to mash the banana, okay? Can you help me peel the banana? Very good. You can peel it too.
I want to pull this.
Yep, pull it off. So we have an overripe banana here for extra sweetness. Overripe ones are great for baking. Now we're going to put this in here. Okay, ready?
Mom, my big one.
Yep. Now Remy, can you start mashing it like this and then Ivy can do it after, okay? Ivy's turn. Very good. So yeah, we're just gonna mash the banana. There's only 4 ingredients for this recipe. Check out the description box for the quantities. It's super simple. I didn't have heaps of ingredients at home, so I thought, why not trial this one? Thank you. Mummy's gonna mash it. Okay. Mash, mash, mash. Mash, mash, mash. I want them nice and smooth though. So a little bit more mashing. How does that look?
Right.
Great? Okay, good. All right then. Can you grab the egg? We're going to very carefully. Okay, very good. Do you want to pour it in, Ivy? Do you want to mash it, Remy? You can start mashing it all up. Thanks, chicken.
Want to tip it out?
Yeah, well, you can tip the next thing out, okay? Got to have double of everything with twins. Now we're going to mix in that egg. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, up.
Hot.
Do you want to put it in, baby? Do you want to mix it, do a bit of mixing? Good girl.
Mama needs a spoon.
We're going to use the spoon very soon. Good girl. This one is Biscoff spread. So we're going to try and put that in. Go plonk, plonk.
Mom, I have to, Mommy.
Okay, thanks for helping me.
It's yummy.
It should be yummy. I love Biscoff spread. Mix it really well.
I got this with that.
Yeah, we're going to pour some flour in a minute.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, do you want to mix, Ivy? Very good.
Just shake her.
Yeah, we're going to use that soon.
That's a product.
Yeah. Can Mummy mix it?
Banana.
Yes, banana and Biscoff. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at this.
Daddy, look at this.
Okay, now I'm going to eyeball the flour. So I have an idea, but it's quite a wet mixture. Mummy might get it out and then you can pour it in and then Remy, you can go after, okay? So that's Ivy's one. Can you pull that in, base? Very good.
I will lick it.
Okay?
No, I do it.
Okay.
Mine.
This one's Remy's to pour in.
I
In the bowl.
be.
Okay, Remy's turn. Very good.
One more, hold on.
Yep, just wait for Remy. Very good.
Oh, God.
Very good. Boom, another one. Mix it up, chicken. Okay, hold it. Ivy, turn, and then you can go after.
No.
You guys are silly.
See, Remy.
Yeah, silly Remy, silly Ivy.
Daddy put it all up.
Yeah, so we're just going to mix it until it's combined. We're not going to over mix it
Daddy, look at all.
because we want nice, light, fluffy cookies.
Mom, go in the oven.
Yeah, okay, hold on. I'm just thinking I might just do a little tiny bit more flour. There we go.
Mommy.
Okay, in we go. Ivy's putting it in. Very good. You guys did a great job. I just want to mix this last bit in. So this is less wet now, which is what I wanted. So I'll show you. It was wet. Now it's a good texture.
It's right.
It's great. Okay.
I want to kill it.
You can try it if you want. Want to try some?
Ooh.
Do you like it?
Nah, Daddy's yummy.
Okay, it's time to put them on the tray. Ivy's, Remy's. Now we have to choose what size cookies we want. Do we want little cookies, medium or big?
That one.
That one. Remy, which one do you want out of these two for the cookies?
Big one.
Big one. Now, how did I know you were going to say that? Mummy's going to scoop them out, all right? Okay, Mummy's going to put them on the tray. like that.
Wanna put it
Okay, here, I'll help you.
home. I want to put it back.
Okay, whoa, that's a really big cookie, Remy.
Yeah.
Whoa. Ivy, Mummy's got to do some more for you, chicken.
No, more that's it. I want to do it.
All right, try and scoop it out. And put it on the tray. Squeeze it.
That is a big one.
Yeah, Remy, that's no, buddy. Too much cookie dough. Mate, what are you doing? We've got to make the cookies.
Yeah.
Oh, no. What did you do?
I smashed it.
Why did you smash it?
It's dirty.
Oh, buddy. Uh-oh. Hold on, chicken. What a disaster. Dirty hands. Okay. Oh, do this one first. Oh, Remy.
Yeah.
This is going to be a big soap one.
See
Yeah.
it, Remy.
See, Remy. You got excited, mate. You got too excited. Mummy might have to scoop these out, otherwise there'll be no cookies. We're gonna get these cookies on the tray. Don't touch them now, okay? Mummy's trying to get them ready to go in the oven. I'm scooping out the cookies, mate.
Yeah.
Yummy. Cookies for everyone.
No, Remy.
Oh no, Remy. Oh, dude.
I did mess.
You made a mess.
I made mess on you. Don't on
All right. Okay, are we doing chocolate sprinkles or are we doing party sprinkles?
you. How did we go?
Party sprinkles, okay. One at a time, just very lightly, Remy. Little sprinkle, got to turn it around this way and then go like this. Ah! Uh-oh.
Oh, that's what it
Yes.
is. That is
You guys are silly. It's all open, so we're going to have to go like this. You hold it with Mummy.
Mommy, Daddy.
There we go.
Mommy, Daddy.
We're just going to go like this. Okay. So they're going to go into the oven for about 10 minutes.
All done.
Thanks, baby. 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. These ones?
Let me try some cookies.
Minnie wants to have some cookies.
Yeah.
Oh, lucky Minnie.
She has some this morning.
She had some this morning.
Yeah.
Did she eat it all? Good girl. Oh.
Swimming in the water.
Swim, swim, swim. Swimming in the water.
I just said it's swimming in the water.
Yep. We go swimming in the water, don't we?
Yes. We went to the beach.
Went to the beach. Had baby Tina. And cookies.
How many sprinkles did you put on your cookies?
On swing.
I think you put 3,000 sprinkles on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama, here go.
So I just checked on the cookies. I've added a little bit of extra time to it. They're really tall cookies, so they're risen nice and tall. I just want to cook them for a little bit longer, and you'll see how they go. They'll be out soon. Not much longer to go. All right, so this has been cooling down in the fridge. I cut it in half so that it will cool down faster. They're like cookie cakes. They're like nice, light, and super fluffy. Want to try it? Here you go, Baba. That's yours. Mummy's going to have some too. Here, Remy.
Big one.
You can have the big one. Cheers.
Daddy, eat this.
Cheers,
big
Remy.
one. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's see how they are. Mmm.
Yum.
Yummy. The self-raising flour in this makes it really like fluffy. You can see that they're really tall. They're almost like a cookie cake, and the Biscoff in them. They're actually not too sweet at all. So if you're looking for really delicious, it's like almost like a banana bread cookie cake. And the best part, only 4 ingredients. Thanks so much for joining us in the kitchen today. I hope that you love this recipe. Try it at home. Only 4 ingredients. You probably already have them in your pantry. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. New videos coming out all the time. If there are any recipes you want to learn how to make sure you let me know as well. Thanks again, guys. See you again next time.
Bye.